loss, it's khaki. Today, I would like to talk about something that I think is very much on the minds of folks who are either planning for weight loss surgery or have had weight loss surgery recently. And it's a topic that I've had a lot of folks ask about: hair loss following weight loss surgery. I remember before I had surgery, researching and reading about it and what supplements may help. The bottom line is, more than likely, for most people who have weight loss surgery, you're going to experience significant hair loss. There's not any supplementation that can prevent it. Of course, getting in your recommended amount of protein will help from things being worse than they are. But the good news, which I want to talk about today, is that it is temporary. And I'm going to talk about why it happens and how it stops, and things that you can do along the way. So, all hair has two phases: an anagen and a telogen phase. Anagen is the growing phase. That's when the hairs first sprout from the follicle and are basically living beings growing. Then they shift into the telogen phase, which is the resting phase and where your hair sheds. Normally, about 10% of your hair is in that shedding phase at a time. You lose hair every day. You see it and don't really think anything about it. Well, when you have weight loss surgery or rapid weight loss, which is what we want, by any other means, what happens is it forces a shift of more than the normal 90% of your hair that's in that anagen phase. It shifts a very large percent into that shedding telogen phase all at the same time. So instead of it being a process where all hair goes through the anagen, and then a few go through the telogen phase, you've got hair that are in the anagen phase, and a whole bunch goes to the shedding phase at one time. The good news is it's temporary. And I can say from my experience and my patient's experience, when it comes back, it's thicker than ever. So, no studies have shown that supplements like biotin or vitamin E can prevent this. It's a biological response to rapid weight loss. It's what your body does. It's not pleasant, it can be very scary. For me, it started at about 3 to 4 months and lasted about 3 months. It was frightening. I thought it wasn't going to bother me, but when I washed my hair, seeing big clumps in the drain, it was a little scary. But overall, I was doing so well with my weight loss and the way I was feeling and getting off of blood pressure medicine. Quite honestly, if I had to wear a wig for a short period of time, I would have done it. So I get it, it is scary, but just know it's temporary. Know that everything that you try to get all of your good protein, try to adhere to your plan, get your nutrition in. But if it happens, you haven't done anything wrong. It's just one of those things that's going to happen. So, when it does happen, what can you do about it? One thing that I found that really helped me was this. It's called Boldify. I got it on Amazon. It comes in different colors. It's a shaker, and it is a powder that's colored. It adheres to your hairs to make them look thicker, and it sticks on your scalp so that it lessens the appearance of thin hair and hair loss. I use this faithfully during those months. And like I said, it didn't last a long time. It was scary. I think that the best approach is just to resign yourself that it's going to happen. Come up with a plan. Have something like this ready. have, maybe some hair wraps, do something. But just know that you hopefully will feel so good that you can just hang on to the fact that it's going to come back and it's going to be stronger than ever. Got a big week coming up next week. This coming Monday, I am having a tummy tuck and an arm lift. I will be putting out a video the night before surgery, kind of talking about my preparation for that on Sunday, so be on the lookout for that. Everything else is going great. I have reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm thrilled to death. It makes me feel so good when people reach out and I'm able to interact with people and hopefully explain a little bit about my journey and be available for questions. If you have any questions about hair loss or anything else, put them in the comments below. Also, I love video suggestions. I've gotten some great suggestions recently. So I would love to know, what would you like to see me talk about in a video so that I can make a video and reach out to you. I will put that video up on Sunday. Barring anything, I will be making a video on Wednesday, 2 days post-op, telling you about this, and I'm going to be documenting my journey. I know that a lot of people in the weight loss community, this is something that they're interested in that skin removal and plastic surgery afterwards. So I got it. Guys, have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye.